Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss bond order in resonating structures. Bond order in resonating structures. Last videos I given how to calculate the bond order in diatomic molecules with a simple trick. That trick which is saving your time, students. That is the most important trick to calculate the bond order. Now in this also I want to apply trick how to calculate the bond order in resonating structures. These tricks are very important in all competitive exams like medicine, medical exams and NEET exams and other competitive exams. These all tricks are saving your time in competitive exams. But in this also theory is there. So what is molecular orbital theory, what is atomic orbital theory, how to write the electronic configuration in that anti-bonding orbitals in bonding orbitals. But trick is important. That theory is not important. Trick is important. Follow these all tricks. So many tricks. I have so many tricks in my pocket. It may be organic or inorganic or physical chemistry. I can upload daily one video with a trick. Please follow my channel and subscribe my channel. Okay, bond order in resonating structures. So what is the base formula for resonating structures? In a number of resonating bonds, number of resonating bonds divided by number of resonating structures. This is the base formula to the calculation of bond order in resonating structures. But I given last video H1 means their bond order is 1. Bond order is 1. Oxygen is there, oxygen number of bonds are 2, their bond order is 2. Nitrogen is nitrogen triple bond, their bond order is 3. Their bond order is 3. If they given O2 plus diatomic molecule, the number of sum electron sum is 15. Their bond order is 2.5 only. 2.5 I given already last video. But in resonating structure, for example, CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2. First example, how to calculate the bond order. But we able to know how to write the resonating structure. CO3 minus 2. How many oxygens are there around the carbon? 3 oxygens are there. So again 2 oxygens are which is in negative charge. So O minus. I want to write its resonating structure. If it is bond is moving in this side, this bond is moving in this side. So CO minus. Again it bond, this oxygen get double bond. This is in O minus. And also one more structure also possible. If it is moving in this side, this bond is in this side. Now this oxygen O minus, this is also O minus, this is getting double bond. Means all oxygens, 3 oxygens are in resonance nature, which will we get 3 resonating structures. How many bonds are in resonance nature? 1, 2, 3, 4 in resonating bonds. How many structures are there? 3 resonance structure. Now bond order which is equal to number of resonating bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Number of resonating structures 3. So that is equal to bond order is 1.33. 1.33. But no need to use this right to resonating structures. Just follow trick only. For example, PO4 minus 3. We have to know how to write the structure. PO4 minus 3 means P double bond O, O minus, here O minus, here O minus. This is PO4. 3 negative charges are there, 4 oxygens are there. But how to calculate the bond order? Bond order which is equal to number of resonating bonds divided by number of resonating structures. But no need to write this resonating structure in competitive exam, which waste our time. But how to save the time? But number of resonating structure. Around the central atom, number of oxygens are 4. Its number of resonating structures are 4. But how many bonds are there in resonating bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only resonating structure. Its bond order is 4 ones are 4. Again 2 means 4 twos are 8. That is 1.25. It's a bond order 1.25. SO4 minus 2. How to calculate the bond order in SO4 minus 2 resonating structure? Just write its structure SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2. Around the sulfur number of oxygens are 4. Bond order which is equal to its 4 number of oxygens are 4. Resonating structures are 4. Next, resonating bonds. So write the structure and count bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bonds. So its bond order is 1.5. 1.5. For example, one more example, ClO4 minus. Write structure please. ClO4 minus. This is double bond O. One oxygen got negative charge. How to calculate the bond order? Apply my trick for this type of examples. Number of resonating structures means around the central atom, whether it is metal or non-metal, around the central atom number of oxygens are 4, number of resonance structures are 4. Then count number of bonds around the central atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 4 number of resonating bonds. Bond order which is equal to 7 by 4 means 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Again 4 fives are 20. 1.25. This is the bond order. For example, benzene. How to calculate the bond order in benzene? Bond order which is equal to number of resonating structure. This is 1 resonating, this is 2 resonating. Number of resonant structures are 2. So in benzene, number of resonating structures are 2. Number of resonating bonds in bond means in benzene only 3 bonds are which are in continuously resonating nature. Then only resonating bonds are 3, but not remaining all 6 bonds. In cyclic structure only moving bonds only, number of resonating bonds. So divided by number of resonating structures means 2. Its bond order is 1.5. 1.5. Find the bond order for C bond O in CO3 minus 2, CO2, CO. This is a previously asked question in NEET and JEE mains. But CO3 minus 2 means a bond order which is equal to, this is the polyatomic molecule. Poly molecule means here oxygens are 3, number of resonating structures are 3. Here how many bonds are there? CO3 minus 2. Here O minus, double bond O, O minus, O minus. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there, 1.33. In CO2 means C double bond O in CO2. Bond order which is equal to around the central atom means carbon, around the oxygen number of oxygens are 2, number of resonant structures are 2. How many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are there, its bond order is 2. In CO is the diatomic molecule. Follow last video trick for diatomic molecule. Carbon 6 sum of electrons and oxygen 8. Total how many sum of electrons? 14 sum of electrons. Its bond order is 3. Its bond order is 3 only. Now CO3 minus 2 bond order is 1.33. It is a resonant structure. So follow this principle. Number of resonating bonds divided by number of resonating structure. But how to apply the trick in resonancing structures means just write in denominator number of resonant structures means number of atoms around the central atom only number of resonance structures. Number of bonds means write their structure and count bonds 1 2 3 4 4 by 3. Now CO2 also polyatomic molecule. Here CO2 means number of oxygens are 2, it is a number of resonance structures are 2. So write their structure 1 2 3 4 resonating bonds 4 by 2 2. For CO is a diatomic molecule, its bond order is 3, just 6 plus 8 14 electrons. 14 electrons means 3 only. Last video trick, apply last video trick. This is about calculation of bond order in resonance structures. This is the trick. It is very important, and also so which save your time in competitive exams. Please, if you like my video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, so I can upload daily one video with the trick only, which is saving your time. Thank you.